Hi, that's it, the Tecno Pova 5 Pro, and I'll show you how to turn on and turn off silent mode on this device. So first open the settings, tap to the sounds and vibration, and to activate silent mode on your device, you should just move the ringtone volume panel. To turn on the silent mode, you should unmute ring volume panel. So how we could do that? We could open the control panel and find here a ring icon. Just click twice on this icon to switch it to the mute one, and this means that the silent mode is activated. If you wanna just turn it off, click to this mute icon to switch it to the ring one, and that's it. And also we get one more way how we could do that. Just press up or down one button. Here you'll see this bell icon. Now we switch to the cross bell, and we could see that the calls and notifications, they will be muted. Just to unmute them, to turn off silent mode, switch to the cross bell to just switch it to the normal, to the regular one. So that's it, thank you for watching, and if you like this video, leave thumbs up and subscribe our channel.